one of the biggest differences that separates everyone, and it's the thing between our ears. And the key with this question is visualization. So I want you to think of visualization like simulation. So all your top athletes do it, whether it's soccer players, martial artists, pro surfers, golfers, they all use visualization to achieve the heights, okay? So basically what you would do, let's say for instance, if I was going for a surf, this is a perfect example. I was going to surf Snapper Rocks in a big swell. So you jump out at Snapper Rocks on the Gold Coast and you surf down through Greenmount all the way into Kirra, and there's heaps of people. And I made myself do a visualization before I paddled out. So I sat there and I focused myself paddling out and getting an awesome wave. And I was doing heaps of turns and it went for ages. I saw myself in my mind. I saw where my feet were on my board. I could see myself lining up my snaps and my big turns. And then I felt good. I got up, I paddled out, and sure enough, I jagged an awesome set wave and it was epic. I pretty much surfed from Snapper all the way down to Greenmount and my legs were burning by the end of it. So that is a classic example of visualization. Your golfers will use it when they're about to do a shot. They'll see themselves making that shot, so you can do it too. And we're going to especially target it towards you seeing yourself at your absolute best. So we want you to, when you're doing the Fit Unit program, you would have written down your goal setting of how you want to look and feel and all the rest of it. So we want you to visualize yourself at your absolute best. So you close your eyes, you can see yourself fit, you can see yourself strong, you're healthy, you're happy, you're vibrant, you're powerful. You can do the kicks you want to do, you can do the punches you want to do, the exercises, everything you want to be able to do, you can see it in your mind as you're doing it. So you're simulating the experience in your mind, and then it will make the transformation into your life. There's been heaps of studies on Google. Just type in visualization meditation benefits, visualization studies to do with top level sports, and it'll blow your mind. So give it a go and you'll really, really notice the difference.